Episode 13, The Death of St Francis Xavier. Hello everyone. In our previous episode, we explored St Francis Xavier's remarkable missionary endeavors. Today, we dwell to a poignant chapter of Xavier's life, his final journey to China, the circumstances leading to his death, and his enduring legacy and influence of the Catholic Church. Xavier's final journey to China. Xavier embarked on his final journey to China, driven by his unrelentless zeal to spread the Christian faith in new territories. His mission was to establish Christianity in this vast and cultural rich empire. Circumstances leading to Xavier's death. During his journey to China, Xavier fell seriously ill on the island of Shanshan in 1552. Despite his deteriorating health, his spirit and commitment to the mission remained steadfast until his last breath. Xavier's last days. In his final days, Xavier was attended by local converts and friends, continuing to provide spiritual guidance and support despite his illness. His unwavering dedication to his mission persisted until the end. His legacy and influence on the Catholic Church. Xavier's legacy and influence on the Catholic Church was profound. His tireless missionary works and unwavering commitment left an indelible mark on the Church, inspiring future generations of missionaries. Xavier's contribution significantly impacted the method of evangelization within the Catholic Church. His missionary zeal and innovative approach to spreading Christianity inspired and guided further missions around the world. Education and social initiatives. Xavier's focus on education and social initiatives set a precedent for the Church engagements in these areas. His establishment of schools, hospitals, and advocacy for social justice influenced the Church's role in societal development. Canonization and sainthood. Recognizing his exceptional contribution, Xavier was canonized a saint in 1622. His canonization attested to his exceptional missionary works, inspirational life, and enduring impact on the Church. Continued inspiration. Even centuries after his death, St. Francis Xavier continues to inspire missionaries, Christians, and the Church as a whole. His legacy of unwavering commitment to spread the Christian faith remains a guiding light. The death of St. Francis Xavier marked the end of a remarkable life dedicated to the missionary cause. His final journey to China, although cut short, did not diminish his enduring legacy and profound influence on the Catholic Church, inspiring generations of believers and missionaries. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's life and legacy are a testament to his enduring impact of missionary zeal and unwavering commitment to spread the Christian faith.